Let's test another of Mom's recipes to get the Dragonfly Cookbook ready to publish.
We've made it to 10 recipes! Yay! So I feel like we should make a recipe with a goofy name to celebrate. So we're gonna make porcupine meatballs. Disclaimer, no porcupines were harmed in the making of this video. They only look like little porcupines, but we are merely evoking our little quilled critter friends. This is also a great way to stretch if you don't have a lot of meat to go around. So let's get started. We're gonna start with our ground meat. You can use beef if you would like, that's what the recipe calls for, but I do have someone coming over tonight that does not eat beef. So we're just gonna sub it out with turkey. It's gonna be fine. And I'm cooking for a crowd tonight, so I'm making more than the recipe's calling for. Turns out everybody's excited about porcupine meatballs. I think these kind of look like hedgehogs too. They're cute, and it's just good. Got all our onion diced finely, now I'm gonna add my rice. We use instant rice here. Milk, and the last bit is our seasonings. Salt, pepper, garlic powder. We already have onion in the mix. Now we're going to mix this up and I'm going to form it into 2 to 3 inch balls. Like that.
They're definitely bigger than 2 or 3 inches. I don't know, they looked bigger when I was a kid.
Now I've preheated my oven to 350 and I'm just going to make my sauce. And this is also super easy, only 3 ingredients. We've got our tomato soup, rice, and water, and that's it. And here are our porcupine meatballs. I'm going to pour my sauce over top, and then into the oven they go. And now you get to see why it's called porcupine meatballs, because the rice looks like little quills. And now these will go into the oven for about 50 minutes to an hour. I was talking to my cousin on the phone the other day and I told her that I was making porcupine meatballs and she was very excited. If she gets to come up this summer, hopefully we'll make a bunch of her favorites. I think that'd be a really fun activity for us to do together.
My guests arrived as I was pulling them out of the oven. You will have more sauce in your pans. I was just making a whole lot of porcupine balls for a lot of people. They're like personalized meatloaves, and they're so simple and really good. We served them tonight with salad and garlic bread, and a friend brought fresh homemade pita.
Mom didn't put any freaking seasonings on it again. No time, no temperature, nothing. Just figure it out. I don't know. Jesus.
Was it 350
for something till the good Lord tells you to stop.
10 recipes down, 90 to go. Thank you so much for watching, and you can check out all of the videos on TikTok and YouTube. Love you.